how to fix Fortnite lag on Android. So we can do this by going to our settings. We're gonna have to go to our developer mode. But in order to activate developer mode, we're gonna have to go to our about phone and go to this, the all specs, and just go ahead and press the MIUI version like a few times. And there we go. Now we are in developer mode. So let's go back a bit and scroll down until we find our additional settings. Now in additional settings, scroll down a bit more and we have our developer options. In developer options, you're gonna have to go and scroll down a bit more in order to find our graphics driver preferences. So just press on that and look for Fortnite. Scroll down a bit and there we go. Press on the system graphics driver and that should help fix your lag. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and scroll down a bit more where you can find the Wi-Fi scanning. So it should be down here. So you can see mine is already turned on, and always keep mobile turn on as well. Now turning this on will help fix your lag in Fortnite. So hopefully these two solutions does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.